Manufacturing allows a um, diverse skill set. It's a skill set applies throughout industry. It is well paying, in high demand. There's no sign of the demand ever dropping off. As long as people go to stores and they want to buy something, we have a job. This program also has computer numeric control machining in it, um, SolidWorks, which is a CAD, drafting course, and um, there's also some electrical within this. So you really get a diverse skill set. This is a skill set that can put you immediately into employment. This is also a skill set where you're not going to be stuck doing the same thing every day. If you want to do something different every day, this is a skill set to have. High schoolers are moving into this CTED, so you can take this program through the CTED. It's all paid for you, and you get a jump start into the professional and career field of employment.